In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center a table in Google Docs. If you have a table in your document that looks slightly off to one side, centering it can make your page look much cleaner and more professional. The good news is that this is very quick to do once you know where the setting is. To get started, click anywhere inside the table you want to center. It does not matter which cell you click in, as long as your cursor is active somewhere inside the table. This tells Google Docs that you want to work with that specific table rather than the regular document text around it. Once your cursor is inside the table, right-click on the table and look for the option called Table Properties. In some versions of Google Docs, you may see table options instead. Either one will take you to the settings area where you can adjust how the table appears and behaves. If you are using a trackpad or a device without a traditional right-click, just use the equivalent gesture for opening the context menu. After that, look in the Table section of the Settings panel. This is where you will find layout-related controls for the entire table. What you want to locate here is the setting called Table Alignment. This option controls how the full table is positioned on the page, not just the text inside individual cells, so it is important to choose the correct setting in this panel. When you find Table Alignment, select Center. As soon as you do that, the entire table will move so it is centered between the left and right margins of your document. This can be especially helpful for reports, forms, schedules, or any document where visual balance matters. If the table still does not look quite right, make sure you changed the table alignment setting and not the text alignment inside the cells, because those are two different things. Centering the table moves the whole table itself, while centering text only affects the content within each cell. And that's all there is to it. Once you know where the table properties or table options menu is, centering a table in Google Docs only takes a few seconds. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helped you format your document more confidently.